Alright, another day at the office. Welcome to Telly's. I gotta hurry up and get in. It's starting to get busy.
Take 5.
Take 5.
He thinks that my body's just out of whack. And I feel so much better. I already stopped taking the medicine.
Let me see the potatoes on it. Alright, let's get this out. Never promised you a rose garden. Western Omelet coming up. Takeouts up and ready. Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. What a day. What a day. What the fuck are they doing? I don't know, babe. I'll be home in a little bit. No matter what life throws at you, you can make it. You can start from the bottom and work your way to the top. I was nothing, and now I'm something. Everyone has the ability to be something great. Worked my butt off today, and now I'm going to go home and spend time with the kids. My little spellions. Have a great day.